Yo, it's Expensive Man here, and I'm gonna show you how to get some free sound effects. For like if you're making some YouTube videos or whatever. They're free. Just go type in free sound effects, and then click on this one. Yeah. And then you have a choice. It's like horror, electric door sounds. I'm gonna choose war sounds, gun sounds. Just click one of them. Go down, choose your one. So I'll just choose machine gun free. Click on it. You should get a sample. Now sample. I don't know if you can hear that. And then where it says download the sound effect, right click on it and click save link as. Select where, I'll just put it on desktop. Yep. And then should be on a desktop. There it is. And just open it. There you go, there's your sound effect, and then you just import it into like Windows Movie Maker. Yep. Or anything else. I didn't use Windows Movie Maker, I use Adobe After Effects. If you want to know how to get Adobe After Effects for free, look at my tutorial. Although I will be making an easy tutorial on how to do it because I found an easier way. Thanks for watching, see ya.